copycats, I need your help. Put on your copycat nose. Copycat whiskers. Big copycat ears for listening. A beautiful copycat paws. Meow, meow. And last but not least, your copycat tail. My turn, your turn. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little pufferbellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Chug, chug, toot, toot. Off we go. Let's sing it all together. Here we go. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little pufferbellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Chug, chug, toot, toot. Off we go. Now, this song has some words that we have to talk about. The first phrase, down by the station, that means we go down to the train station early in the morning because you got to catch your train super early. See the little pufferbellies all in a row. Does anyone know what a pufferbelly is? I actually have one right here. This is my toy train from when I was a kid, and this is a pufferbelly. It's a steam engine that would travel all across America, bringing goods and importing different things from different states to help everybody get what they needed. So when you see those little pufferbellies all in a row, it means you see the different trains down at the train station, all next to each other on the different tracks. I have my train right here, and we're gonna sing the song one more time with my train showing us the way. Here we go. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little pufferbellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Chug, chug, toot, toot, off we go. Chug, chug, toot, toot, off we go. I have a new song for us today, and I'm curious if you can sing with me. Here we go. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Going to turn around. Going to go back home. Let's try that one more time, because we gotta add some movement eventually. Here we go. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Going to turn around. Going to go back home. Now, let's add some movements, shall we? Hey, so we learned the song of going down the railroad. Let's put some movements with it. We're gonna go like this. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Try that. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Do it one more time. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. We're gonna do that twice together. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Now this part, the engine gets to run all around. So you're gonna stay in place and you're gonna go, oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Fantastic. After that, the engine has to turn around. Going to turn around. Going to go back home. Let's try that one more time. Going to turn around. Going to go back home. Let's try it from the beginning. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Going down the railroad, race-o-do. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Oh, the engine's gonna run all around. Going to turn around. Going to go